Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and I'm glad you made it to my channel. If you're brand new, if you're returning, thank you so much for returning. In this video I wanted to take you along as I do the basics of chalk painting. I have done different pieces using different techniques and all this stuff. With this piece I will be doing the basics. I will be painting it with only one color, and I will sand it down and wax it. That's it. I'm not adding any extra techniques or any of that stuff. And I want to make this, so I want to take this piece and make it look farmhousey. So I'm gonna show you the piece that I'm talking about. The pieces are, the lighting is awful in here, so bear with me, but the piece that I'm talking about is this buffet sideboard, and it does, okay, finally focused. It doesn't have too much details that I want to accent, but there is a little accent here. And so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to clean it, take off the knobs. I'm not sure if I'm going to take the doors off or not yet. I haven't decided that. And then I'm just going to give it a nice coat of paint. The color that I'm using is Annie Sloan Chalk Paint in the Old White. I'm just using water and vinegar to wash it down, clean it up, dust it, that type of thing. There are a few things that are stuck on there, so I'm going to try and use some of these sanding blocks or even sandpaper to take it off. So I taken everything off. You want it to be smooth when you're putting your hand over it, making sure that there is no bumps. So I'm using Annie Sloan White, Old White, and the brush is just a Legacy, and I'm pretty sure came from Home Depot. So the first coat is done, and I just wanted to kind of show you how it looks. So you'll definitely need a second coat for the look that I'm going. If I was gonna do a lot of dark wax or black wax on this, I probably would not be adding another coat of white. I would just go with the wax because that's a totally different look. But for right now, like I said, I'm just going for the basic paint, just one type of paint and wax. That's all I'm doing here. So I will be needing a second coat. So another thing that I wanted to point out is when you go the second time over with the paint, you want to brush it gently, like featherly over, and so that way it will help minimize any brush strokes, brush marks. And by applying the paint so lightly and gently in every direction, it will also reduce the brush marks, if that makes any sense. So the first coat I just went because I knew I needed a second coat, but the second coat I will do it lightly and in every which way, so that way it reduces the look of brush marks or brush strokes. So here it is, all painted up. I just need to give it a light sanding just to get rid of the roughness, and then I'm going to sand some details out. here it is all completed, and I just love the way it turned out. Here's the little bit of sanding that I did to distress it. Didn't want to go overboard, just a little bit. And after you're done applying the wax and just gently rubbing it with a lint-free cloth, you let it cure, and you can just leave it, or you can come back and buff it out even more after about 24 hours, and it'll give you a bit of a smoother finish and even a shinier finish if that's what you're looking for. I love these pieces. I don't know if I mentioned, I did pick up this piece at a thrift store for $75, which I think is a great steal. And I thought I was gonna have to get some new knobs, but I ended up opening the drawer and seeing that there were some other knobs, so I didn't have to buy any, which was great. But if you do look for knobs, I did see some on Amazon, and I have purchased some knobs in my other buffet project that I made on Amazon as well. They were the crystal knobs. So, well, I don't think they were actual crystal, but they were glass crystal looking knobs. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're brand new to my channel, I would love for you to press the subscribe button and the notification button so you don't miss out any of my updates. I try and post furniture videos at least once a month of some sort of upcycling type of video. I also do a lot of DIYs on my channel. So if this is something you're into, definitely subscribe. Thank you so much, and until next time, have a wonderful day.